the person that's inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new, I am KEYO. So earlier today I was asked how I went ahead to achieve this little rainbowy sunset kind of look, and I'm excited to go ahead and share with you guys how you can obtain this look too. So stay tuned. Also, if you like what you see in the video, definitely click that thumbs up button for me and subscribe to the channel because I do put out videos, not as much as I used to, but they're still there. They're still coming. They're still around. Ooh, what up guys? KEYO voiceover here. First, I'm taking the number 7 eye cream. This is from the Lift and Illuminate series, and I'm just rubbing that underneath of my eye. Then going in with the NYX Jumbo White Pencil. I typically use this as a base when I'm putting on really bright eyeshadows, and you're just going to blend that out with your finger. It's been a long time since I've done voiceovers. This is weird. Taking the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, I'm taking the orange and the yellow from the palette on a fluffy brush, and starting with the yellow on the inner crease, and then I'm going to blend it out towards the darker colors on the outer crease. This whole look can be obtained with the NYX Ultimate Brights palette or any kind of bright eyeshadow you have, typically because I used all the pink in my Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm going in with the NYX Air palette and taking the bright magenta pink from that, and then, you know, once again, just kind of fading it into the darker colors going towards the outer crease. Now I am going back in with those previous colors like the orange and the yellow and kind of just blending them better together. And then I am last but not least going in with the purple from the Take Me palette and sticking that on the further outer crease. Sorry if you guys can hear the rain, it is raining right now. But I'm also going to be taking the orange and the purple underneath of the bottom waterline, and then just brushing all of the extra fallout out of the way. Yes, I have a tiny, tiny fluffy brush. It's a Real Techniques fluffy brush, and it's amazing. Now going in with the NYX Matte Liner. This is my favorite liquid liner ever. I think it is amazing. It is precise. It is black like the soul. And I'm just going and pretty much creating like a gigantic cat wing. Now I usually start on the inner crease and take the line all the way out towards the eyebrow. You can see it in the video, you know. And then I'm also going and creating a tiny little corner cat eye completionist style, you know, achievement unlocked on the inner corner as well, just to make this a more dramatic look. And then once you are done with that, we are going in with the NYX retractable eyeliner pencil in black, and I'm going to tightline. I don't normally do this a lot unless, you know, I have bright colors and you want to cover up the top waterline, you know. So I'm going and pretty much putting this on both waterlines, top and bottom. Yes, it can be a process if you've never tightlined before. I normally just kind of close my eyes and drag the goop along it, you know? Yeah. So this entire look, I know that I mentioned that it kind of reminds me of a sunset. It kind of reminds me of the Mugangwa from South Korea, or, you know, the hibiscus flower, if you will. And here is a picture to show you. I just kind of saw this after the fact and I was like, whoa, that's pretty cool. So just take any old mascara. Currently I'm using the Curvilicious mascara from NYX, and then I'm taking a pair of pretty old eyelashes and cutting them. Recently I have been putting them just on the outer wing, and then I'm just going in with some highlighter. After this highlighter is probably the best highlighter I have ever used. It is amazing, and it's affordable, and I 10 out of 10 would do again. So once you have that down, you are pretty much done. Enjoy, guys!